Everything can change in the blink of an eye. One moment of carelessness, one wrong decision, and the result is devastating accidents on the streets. In today's video, we bring you the most shocking traffic incidents. From intense collisions and dangerous rollovers to unexpected events no one could have anticipated. Buckle up, because this journey will take you through heart-stopping moments, valuable lessons, and sometimes sheer disbelief at human negligence. Don't look away, as every second serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of caution on every journey. Let's dive in together right now. This is a quite dangerous and unfortunate situation where the car behind failed to maintain a safe distance and crashed straight into the car in front. In this clip, you will witness a very serious situation where a truck loses control and crashes into several cars moving ahead. The violent collisions have caused severe human damage, with many people injured in the accident. This serves as a wake-up call about the importance of staying highly focused while driving and maintaining a safe distance to avoid such terrifying situations. You will witness a terrifying accident happening right in front when a vehicle loses control and crashes violently into other vehicles. The impact causes the car to explode instantly, creating a horrifying scene. The explosion ignites a large fire, causing panic among everyone nearby. You will witness a very dangerous situation when a car loses control and crashes straight into a gas station. The violent impact causes the gas pump to collapse. You will witness a very dangerous situation when a car falls into a ravine due to an unstable road. The road surface is damaged and lacks traction, causing the car to lose control and fall down. This is an extremely dangerous accident when a car moving along the road is suddenly struck head-on by another vehicle. The violent collision causes the car to explode and catch fire instantly. A race car leaps into the air after a powerful acceleration, flipping several times before landing back on the ground. This scene is not only stunning but also serves as a testament to the dangers of high speed and the importance of control in unexpected situations. A car is being repaired on the road when it is suddenly hit from behind by another vehicle. The strong collision disrupts the repair work, creating a chaotic scene. The car loses control and crashes straight into a traffic light pole. The strong impact causes significant damage to the car and knocks over the pole. While moving through the intersection, the dump truck failed to obey the traffic light and crashed straight into another car that was moving with the green light. The strong collision caused significant damage to both vehicles. A car intentionally performs reckless maneuvers on the road, driving carelessly. After several dramatic drifts, the car loses control and crashes into other vehicles, causing a serious accident.
DRS and that protection line.
What the hell?
There is to see. Why is it just these?
The large truck loses control and crashes into a series of vehicles moving on the road. The violent collision causes not only significant material damage, but also leaves many people injured. The vehicles are heavily damaged, and the situation becomes chaotic as rescue teams must quickly arrive to handle the incident. The bus loses control and crashes straight into a restaurant. The strong impact causes severe damage to the front of the bus, creating a chaotic scene in the area. Items inside the restaurant are shattered, making it extremely dangerous. In this clip, you will witness a dangerous situation when a car speeds, loses control, and crashes violently into the rear of another vehicle. The impact causes severe damage to the car, with the rear end being shattered, creating a chaotic scene on the road. The car suddenly speeds up and overtakes other vehicles without maintaining a safe distance, creating a tense situation that could lead to an accident. This is a warning about the importance of driving carefully, obeying traffic laws, and ensuring safety. A sudden and dangerous situation occurs when a car is driving on the road and two other vehicles unexpectedly drive side by side, occupying the same lane. The lack of attention and safe distance leads to a serious accident. The collision causes significant damage to the vehicles. A serious accident occurs when a car carrying materials experiences a malfunction and catches fire on the road. The violent collision causes the vehicle to explode and flames erupt fiercely, creating a large plume of smoke that engulfs the surrounding area. The chaos and danger result in significant material damage and pose a threat to lives. A fuel tanker loses control and crashes straight into multiple vehicles ahead. The powerful collision triggers a massive explosion, causing flames to erupt fiercely and engulf the entire surrounding area. A car traveling at high speed loses control and crashes into another vehicle. The impact causes both cars to veer toward a roadside wall. The strong collision causes the wall to collapse, crushing both vehicles underneath. A dangerous situation unfolds as a car traveling at high speed suddenly loses control and crashes straight into a roadside utility pole. The powerful impact severely damages the car and causes the pole to break and collapse. Stay safe on the roads, everyone. Drive carefully. You will witness a serious accident where a parked car on the road suddenly becomes an obstacle. Several vehicles behind fail to brake in time due to the close distance and high speed, resulting in a chain reaction of collisions. The vehicles involved are severely damaged. A horrifying situation unfolds as a vehicle suddenly plunges from a cliff onto the road, crashing directly into moving vehicles. The serious accident results in significant damage to both lives and property. An accident occurs when a vehicle suddenly loses control and crashes into a field. The strong impact with the ground causes significant damage to the vehicle, rendering it immobile. A dangerous situation unfolds as a vehicle drives on a snow-covered road but fails to control its speed. The slippery surface causes the car to lose control, veering off the road and resulting in a serious accident.
Oh my God.
The vehicle is moving on the road but loses control, causing it to crash directly into the roadside barrier, resulting in a strong impact.
Holy shit. He's still going.
It's truly unfortunate when a vehicle is stopped on the road with hazard warnings, but the car behind fails to react in time, crashing into it and causing an accident. It is truly dangerous when a driver is drunk, as it not only poses a great risk to themselves, but also threatens the safety of those around them. Reckless swerving while intoxicated, combined with the car behind not being able to react in time, leads to a serious accident. Improper lane changing not only violates traffic laws, but also poses a high risk of accidents. In this video, the vehicle changes lanes incorrectly, leading to an unfortunate accident. This serves as a reminder for all of us to drive carefully. In this video, the vehicle was speeding, weaving, and changing lanes unsafely, resulting in a serious accident. The vehicle changed lanes without checking mirrors or signals from other cars, leading to an unfortunate collision. This serves as an important reminder to always observe and ensure your safety before changing lanes. In this video, driving too fast while taking a turn caused the vehicle to lose control, resulting in an accident. This serves as a reminder that when driving on curvy roads, we need to reduce speed and stay cautious to ensure safety. Loss of control while driving can lead to serious accidents, not only causing property damage, but also threatening lives. The strong impact caused the car to be crushed and posed a direct danger to the lives of those involved in the traffic. This serves as a reminder for all of us about the importance of adhering to speed limits and driving carefully.
What the? Oh my.
It's truly dangerous when a car suddenly overtakes from behind without paying attention to safety, causing an accident. This serves as a lesson to always stay cautious and maintain a safe distance while driving.
Zeszłam z... O kurwa, ale wypadek! Ja pierdolę! Oh my god, oh my god!
The traffic accidents in the video are a wake-up call for all of us. Just one moment of carelessness can change a life forever. To ensure safety for yourself and those around you, always follow traffic laws, stay focused, control your speed, and maintain a safe distance. Small actions like using your turn signals, slowing down when necessary, or yielding the right of way all contribute to preserving lives. Remember, road safety is not just a personal responsibility, but also a duty to the community. Drive carefully, because life is the most precious thing we have.